Hey, this is Pierre Draco talking. Do you know that when you chat with somebody and you're sharing a file, the file is stored in your OneDrive? You probably know that already. But how does it look like? Can you change the permission on the document if you just want to share a document in read-only, or even if you don't want the person to download the document? Can you do that? So let's see that. So I'm going to attach a document from my computer, a random one, and we'll see what's gonna happen. So now you see here that you can do something here. So if you click on this little icon here, you can change the permission. So first it says people currently in this chat can have access to this document. Right now they can edit the document. So you can change it. You can say, you know, everybody can have access to the document, or specific people. But now in my case I'm gonna stay with people in the chat, and I can unselect all of editing, and I can block download if I want to. So here, if I unselect, the people cannot edit the document, but they can download it and make some edit on the side. If I want to block it, I just have to block it, just like when I'm doing it on OneDrive. And so you can change a permission right away when you, on a document you're sharing in your team's chat. It will be stored in your OneDrive. So let's jump to the OneDrive to see how it goes. So my OneDrive, as you know, that all the documents are shared in a folder called Microsoft Teams Chat Files. And here's my document, and here is it was shared. So if I click on here, I can see that I shared it with, apparently with other people. Interesting. So what's let me see, advanced. No, I'm trying to show what's really the access here. So Matt Barker can have access, that's a good thing, but I don't see where it says that Matt Barker can only oh yeah, it says here, so it says here, it's not obvious, but it says here the link blocks recipients for downloading copies of this file. It's misleading, I don't know what it is. Here it says owner, but maybe because Matt Barker is admin for this tenant. But here it says clearly that my file was blocked for download due to what I just did. So you can change what the lesson is here. You can change what people can do on your document you're sharing in your chat. Directly when you drag and drop it, it's not obvious. It shows in the team under here, there's a drop box, and you can change the permissions. Hope this was helpful.